Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious and healthy sweet corn soup. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need 3/4 cup sweet corn. I'm using frozen. If you're using fresh sweet corn, then boil the sweet corn in water for 6 to 7 minutes and then use. But I'm using frozen, so I'm going ahead with it. Add the sweet corn to your mixer grinder jar. Then add around 3/4 cup water, a little here and there is okay. Grind to a fine puree, then strain the puree. Add a little water. Adding a little water would make sure that you get maximum out of the puree. Look at the color and consistency. Right now it looks like besan dissolved in water, but don't worry, it's not like that, and the taste is also very different. Heat a kadai or a pan and add around 2 to 3 teaspoon oil and then add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. Fry till the garlic turns slightly golden in color. Then add 1 small size finely chopped onion, and again you need to saute the onion, fry the onion till they turn slightly golden in color. Then add 1/4 cup finely chopped carrot, 1/4 cup thinly sliced French beans. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes between low to medium flame. Cut 1 green chilli in the middle and then add. This way it would be easier for you to remove the green chilli later. Then add the prepared puree. Give a good stir. Keep the flame between low to medium at this time. Then add water to adjust the consistency, so keep the soup a little thin. Then add 1/4 cup sweet corn, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, salt to taste. You can taste your soup later and if required you can adjust the salt and black pepper. Cover and cook the soup for 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between. Then add juice from half small sized lemon. Do not skip lemon juice. It would make your soup very tasty. Mix well and then remove the green chilli because the green chilli has done its job. Next, I'm adding a mixture of 2 teaspoon cornstarch and 1/4 cup water. So mix it well and add to your soup, and after adding, keep stirring your soup continuously and it would thicken a bit after a few minutes. And there you go, delicious and easy sweet corn soup is ready to serve. Enjoy this delicious soup with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!